Monday, August 28th, 2017. I've just gotten word that NS 8103, the Norfolk and Western Heritage Unit, was leading NS 215 and would be through Dalton in a little while. In the meantime, NS cleared a BNSF Shira train through first. This train was a nice surprise too, with a Ferromex Gevo up front. And Canadian Pacific Vancouver Winter Olympics engine number 8876 on the DPU. I broke off briefly from the tracks to grab dinner and arrived back just in time for a manifest, a UP SD70M Trails. Finally, at 10:30 p.m., NS 215 cruises through town with the 8103 up front as advertised. After 215 cleared, I started to head home, but then got word of two more trains in the picture, and it wasn't long before CSX Q142 arrived, Tropicana Juice and intermodal traffic bound for Baltimore, Maryland. Then, right as I was heading back to the depot, I got word of NS 708 with the Savannah and Atlanta unit up front. I turned back to the depot just in time to see it roll by. 2 heritage units, and run-through power from 3 different railroads, 2 of them international. Now that's what I call a good night. In downtown Dalton, Georgia, this is Ravenhawk 6910, signing off.